standard here and now need to go to get admission in the college to have a good result and make our career. We can never forget all the support and care given by our respected teachers. We will always remember all the etiquette taught by our teachers. We joined the school many years back, however it seems that it was yesterday and the time of departure has come very soon. The education environment of this school is really best. Full and motivational. We liked it very much. We got many experiences together with the good education. I would like to share some funny moments which I was very mischievous in my childhood and generally used to tease my friends in the classroom. However, all the bad behaviors got changed into the good one because of my class teachers, nice way teaching. I am very grateful to my art teachers who really made me a good student. I still remember all the happy and bad moments with the friends, like loud talking, silly jokes, reading novels, eating other lunch boxes, running on the roads, competition on stairs, making fun of friends, and so many on such memories are valuable for me and will be in my heart. School was like our second